So we wanted everyone to see what happens when you wake up the puppies. They're now 16 days old. Okay, baby, go ahead, wake them up. Hey there, guys. Hey there. Hi there. Hey there. What do you think? Is it time to eat? Is it time to eat? Huh? Is it time to eat? What about you, little one? Is it time to eat? What? Okay, it's wake up time. Oh, but there's Mama. She wants in. Oh. First, Mama cleans them. Clean the babies. We're going to get a little snack while Mama's cleaning that baby. Oh, you missed him.
There's one underneath there.
Oh. Is that little girl? Can't tell. Nope. Oh, you're getting your cleaning. How are you going to feed them now? You going to feed the babies? Good job. Good job feeding the babies. You want to lay down so they all can have something?
Sweetheart, let's help you. Just lay down, okay?
Lay down a little bit.
There you go.
There we go.
Oh, you come on over there. Oh, yeah.
Everybody wants a little.
There you go.
Good girl. Good girl. That's our good girl. And our babies.